Hello Year 9s, welcome to our next example. This one we are going to calculate the total surface area of a triangular prism. And I have this diagonal box here, a little bit noisy, still full of triangles. And we are going to calculate the total surface area of this box. I've made some measurements and it turns out that this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so this is 30 centimeters. It's 30 centimeters along the bottom, it's 30 centimeters up the third side. And the height of the box is 6 centimeters. And there's one other dimension which I've measured, which is the vertical height, or the height of the triangle, which is from the tip straight down there, and that was 26 centimeters. So you can see all those dimensions are labelled on this diagram. Each side of the triangle is 30 centimeters. I've only written two of them, but the third one is also 30 centimeters. The box is 6 centimeters high, and the vertical of the triangle is 26 centimeters. What I just want you to have a little think about is what shapes are is this box made up of? You can see there's a triangle in the front and in the back. So I'm just going to write here, we'll give it another go. And we'll see there's two triangles. And these ones happen to be equilateral triangles. And then there are three rectangles. And because the side length is 30 centimeters on every side, these three rectangles are all the same size because they have all the same dimensions. So remember, when we do the total surface area, we need to find the area of each of the faces and then add them together. I'm going to start with the three rectangles because rectangles are just a bit easier than triangles. So there's my rectangle there. It's 6 centimeters wide and 30 centimeters long. So we've got 3 times 6 times 30 centimeters. That's my three rectangles. And let's add it up now, shall we? Beg your pardon. Let's multiply those numbers now. I can't do that in my head. 3 times 6 times 30 gives us 5. So all three triangles together gives me 540 centimeters squared. Now we're going to measure the two triangles, remembering that the two triangles are the same size as each other. So we can just say 2 times. Now, the formula for a triangle is half base times height, or some of you know that as base times height divided by 2. It's the same thing. So here I'm going to say 2 for the front and the back, 2 times a half. Now the base of the triangle is 30 centimeters and the height of the triangle is 26 centimeters. So we'll try those out on the calculator again. 2 times a half, which is 0.5, times 30 times 26 equals 780 centimeters squared. So now I've found this first number here is my triangles. No, it's not. That's my rectangles. This second number here is my triangles. So in order to find the total, we just need to add those two numbers together. And we'll grab the calculator and we'll figure that out again. 780 plus 540 gives us 1320. Remember that it's in centimeters squared. I did this one a little differently from the previous one because instead of adding the three rectangles, I just multiplied by 3. And here, instead of adding the two triangles, I have just multiplied by 2. But this is our answer here, 1,320, and the units is centimeters squared. That's our triangular prism.